Welcome back to Car Talk, on the channel where we don't just review cars, we live them, breathe them. And today, people, we are talking about something that genuinely stopped me in my tracks the moment I laid eyes on it. The 2026-27 Mazda CX-100 SUV in midnight black. And let me tell you right now, if you think you've seen everything the SUV world has to offer, Mazda is about to completely change your mind. Because this machine right here is not just a car, it is a bold, confident, unapologetic statement from a brand that has always understood that driving should feel like something. And with the CX-100, they have taken that philosophy and turned the volume all the way up. Now, the first thing that hits you, before you even open a door, before you even touch the handle, is that exterior. And in black, oh man. In black, this thing is absolutely menacing in the best possible way. The sculpted Kodo design language that Mazda has been perfecting for years reaches its absolute peak here, with those sharp character lines running down the flanks catching light in a way that makes the body look like it was carved out of a single piece of obsidian. The front fascia is aggressive without being overdone. The signature Mazda grille sits wide and low with a presence that commands attention on any road, any parking lot, any stoplight. And those full LED adaptive headlights frame the face with a precision that feels almost architectural, like someone took a ruler and a dream and built a car around both of them. And as you walk around to the side, the roofline flows beautifully into a slightly fastback style rear that gives the CX-100 a more athletic, coupe-like silhouette than you'd expect from a full-size SUV. And those 21-inch dark finish alloy wheels sitting under those wide fenders in black on black, that contrast is everything. It's clean, it's fierce, and it photographs like an absolute dream. Which is exactly why this color combination is already going viral across every automotive platform on the internet. Now step inside. And this is where Mazda does something that most automakers don't dare to do. They go premium without going cold. Because the interior of the 2026-2007 CX-100 is warm, it's tactile, it's human, wrapped in genuine Napa leather in a deep espresso brown that pops beautifully against that black exterior. The dashboard architecture is driver-focused, with a slight tilt toward you, giving it a cockpit feel. The large 14.6-inch infotainment display is crisp and responsive, running Mazda's latest connected services platform with wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and a built-in navigation system that actually learns your habits over time. But what really sets this cabin apart is the silence, the acoustic glass, the active noise cancellation system, and the layered sound insulation make the inside of this CX-100 feel like you're in a luxury lounge that just happens to be moving at 80 miles per hour. And the 12-speaker Bose premium audio system, absolutely concert hall level. The kind of sound that makes your morning commute feel like a privilege. Under the hood, Mazda has made a move that shows just how serious they are about the future. The CX-100 comes in both a turbocharged inline-6 Skyactiv X mild hybrid option, pushing around 340 horsepower, with silky smooth torque delivery through an 8-speed automatic, and a fully electric e-Skyactiv variant with dual motors producing close to 400 horsepower, and an estimated range of over 370 miles on a single charge. And in either configuration, the ride quality is something special, because Mazda's engineers tuned this suspension not just for smoothness, but for engagement, using their kinematic posture control system that subtly brakes individual rear wheels during cornering to keep the body composed, keep the nose planted, and give you a level of confidence in corners that you genuinely don't expect from a vehicle this size. It drives smaller than it looks, sharper than it should, and more connected than almost anything else in this class. And trust me when I say that the moment you merge onto a highway in the CX-100 and feel that inline-6 pull with that low, controlled exhaust note rolling through the cabin, you will understand exactly what Mazda means when they say they build cars for the driver. Safety-wise, the 2026-27 CX-100 comes absolutely loaded. You've got Mazda's iActive Sense suite as standard across all trims, which includes front collision warning with autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert with braking, lane keep assist, driver attention monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system with front and rear washers that keeps everything crystal clear, even in dirty conditions. And the new addition for this model year is Mazda's Highway Co-Pilot feature, which handles hands-free driving on mapped highways, handles lane changes with a simple turn signal tap, and manages speed automatically through traffic. It's not full autonomy, it's intelligent assistance. And honestly, it's implemented more naturally than anything I've tried from competitors twice Mazda's size. Standard features across trims include a panoramic sunroof, a hands-free power tailgate, heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, 3-zone climate control, a head-up display, ambient interior lighting with 64 color options, and enough USB-C fast charging ports to keep every person in your family powered up on a road trip. And for the top signature trim, you're also getting a heads-up augmented reality navigation display, massaging front seats, real wood and brushed aluminum trim, and a rear-view mirror that doubles as a camera monitor for unobstructed rear visibility, even with passengers or cargo blocking your line of sight. And let's talk about space, because this is a proper, full-size SUV. Second-row passengers get an almost ridiculous amount of legroom with sliding second-row seats. And the third row is actually usable for adults on shorter trips, not just a punishment bench like you find in some competitors. Cargo space behind the third row is generous, and with all seats folded flat, you've got an enormous flat load floor that makes the CX-100 genuinely practical for families, movers, adventurers, road trippers, and everyone in between. And the optional hands-free power fold for both the second and third rows means you never have to wrestle with seats when your hands are full. So let's bring it all together. The 2026-27 Mazda CX-100 in midnight black is the kind of vehicle that makes you proud to pull up somewhere. The kind of car that earns second glances, not because it's flashy or loud, but because it's genuinely, deeply beautiful in a way that holds up the more you look at it. And beyond the looks, it backs every single inch of that style with real substance. A powerful, efficient drivetrain, a luxurious and intelligent interior, class-leading safety technology, and a driving experience that reminds you why you fell in love with cars in the first place. Mazda has always been the brand that cares about the driver, and the CX-100 is their loudest, most confident declaration of that belief yet. And if you're in the market for a premium SUV that stands apart from the sea of German luxury badges and cookie-cutter crossovers, I genuinely, honestly think this deserves to be at the very top of your test drive list. This is Car Talk. Han, if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this one. Drop your questions in the comments, and I will get back to every single one. And until next time, drive safe, drive smart, and always choose the car that makes your heart move.